What's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Coach Yoann and today this is another episode of the basics of day trading and we're gonna talk about what is a rising wedge. Let's go! Okay guys, so you should be able to see my screen now. This is Amazon on a 5-minute. I found a rising wedge, not the best one, but I want to show you, I will do the job for today's video. I look at the 5 or 6 stickers, I couldn't find one, so that was an okay one. So let's talk about it. So first of all, what is actually a wedge, right? Let's talk about the definition, keep it simple and sexy, and then we'll dive into an example like today. So a rising wedge is basically a bearish pattern actually. So it is a pattern in day trading signaling that we are indicating that we are actually going higher and higher and higher. But we started with a wide price action going to a smaller distance of price action to eventually signify or indicate that we're about to reverse and go lower. Okay, so break down eventually. So now I'm gonna show you what I see. And it might sound, weird or you don't see anything right now, but it's okay. I have 3 years of looking at charts every single day, and it's only 3 years. So you will get there. As a beginner, don't worry about it. I'm gonna draw it for you, and you will see how it makes sense. Okay. So this is Amazon on a 5-minute right here, guys. And let me just draw what happened here. So obviously, let's do this one here. So obviously here, as of February 1st, 2023, I'm assuming that must have been maybe a news being released on ER maybe on Amazon. And this is why we gapped up completely. Okay. So technically we went from there, right? All the way, actually, let's not use this one. Let's use that one. Here you go. We went from here, boom, all the way up to here. So what is that? 105.20, let's call it, to 112.23 and some change, right? So huge gap up, right? So that's what happened here first, okay? Now, if you've seen some of my video lately, I actually did a video on gaps. So go watch it, guys, if you don't know what a gap is. Very easy, amazing thing to know. So just go watch it. But anyway, yeah, so that is what happened here. And then look at what I'm seeing over here. Actually, let's take this one again. From here to here. Oopsies. Okay. And let's do this one again from here. Let's go this way. Okay. All right. So now you start to have a little bit of a feeling where I'm coming from here, right? Huge. Let's remove that one actually because I'm at. Okay. So, we see an uptrend big time because we have a gap up, and then we have a wide price action, and then going lower and lower and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, and eventually, boom, reverse completely. So let me actually draw it for you so you can see what's happening here. So we went from there all the way up here, correct? Boom. And then we come back down, boom. And you see how this is wide, right? Wide price action, right? And then it becomes a smaller price action, right? And then smaller price action, right? And smaller price action. Let's call it one here, right? And then suddenly, boom, completely reversed all the way down here, right? So uptrend, wide price action, becoming less wide, less wide, less wide, less wide, less wide, uptrend here, boom, reversed. That's it. That's what the rising wedge is. It eventually tells you that I would have wished that actually this pattern would have been like just smaller here. That would have been even a better example. But a pattern is not 100% like, sometimes it is textbook actually, but it's not always textbook. Meaning that if you see in a textbook that it goes up, down, and small, and break down, that's perfect. But it doesn't always happen that way. If not, everybody would be able to identify them. It would be so much easier. Everybody would be rich. And peace and love will be in the entire world. I don't know. You know what I mean? It's just like, it doesn't work this way, unfortunately. So, that's what it is, right? Wide price action, uptrend obviously, wide price action, less wide, less wide, less wide, less wide, and then a breakdown. We're breaking that down, that trend line over here, signaling that we are now going lower eventually if it doesn't fail, because it can fail and go higher, and then the pattern is then cancelled, if I may say, right? It's not valid anymore. So Yeah, that's what it is. We're going lower here and then obviously higher and then huge gap down here actually. Okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment on that video. If you have, if you want to learn more with me, you like my style, the way my accent, the way I explain things, feel free to go on coachyoann.com and book your one-on-one training mindset with me. It's actually free for 15 minutes. And then I also have 1 hour if you want to spend 1 hour, 3 hours, 5 hours. Those are for sale, obviously, because time is money, right? And so feel free to go on there as well, coachyoann.com, book your free one-on-one, and then let's go from there. Thank you so much, guys. Like, subscribe, share that video, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Have a good day.